Welcome back to Cooking Easy with Feezy, and today I'll teach you how to make bún chả giò thịt nướng. Here, got some beef short ribs, okay? Some Vietnamese lemongrass sausage, some nem nướng, some chả giò, bún, cucumbers, mint, fish mint, lettuce, some bean sprouts, garlic, lemongrass, fish sauce, some sambal, some oyster sauce, and some homemade fish sauce, okay? Okay guys, we're gonna start off with the beef ribs, okay? We're gonna marinate beef ribs. I washed them already, washed them cleanly, rubbed them with salt, dumped the water out. Okay, now to it we're gonna add some, see there, minced garlic, okay? This is about a table and a half spoon of minced garlic. Okay, some minced chilies. Some chilies and some more. Lemongrass. 1, 2, 2.5 pinches of lemongrass. Okay, 2.5. Okay, some black pepper. Black pepper. Okay, salt. Chili powder, just 1 pinch. Okay, sesame oil. Half tablespoon. Sauce. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 squirts. Some honey here, guys. 1.5 tablespoons of honey. Some oyster sauce, about. That to me is about 3 tablespoons. Some sambal. Just a little bit. You like a rib spicy. Put your hands there. Go in with your hands. Oh, it smells nice. Okay, mix it around. Get your beef mixed around with that. After everything's all marinated, see, you can see it. Ooh, looks delicious, eh? Just throw it into the bag, okay, guys? Right into the Ziploc bag. The sauce. And there, to the bottom. Wash the bowl. Got the meat in your bag like that. You guys see? Okay. Squeeze the air out of it. Squeeze all the air out of it. Pull the bag up. All the sauce will be touching the meat at all times. Right? So it's for sure, make sure it's marinated. Throw it into the bowl, into the fridge overnight, and we'll get back onto it till tomorrow, okay? My water is nice and boiling. In goes my vermicelli, okay? We'll check back on it when it's done, alright? Here I got all my vegetables washed. My fish mint, some mint, some bean sprouts, cucumbers, and my lettuce, okay? Here I got my nem nướng, my lemongrass sausage, ready to go in the oven. My spring rolls, I'm about to fry it up. And my beef is going to the oven right now, okay? Now I got the beef out, I'm gonna take it and I'll put it in the oven, okay? Put it in the oven. Leave it there and we'll flip it in about 15-20 minutes, okay? Vermicelli, it's now done. Okay, guys? This is what it should look like. Vermicelli into water to stop the cooking process. Okay. We're gonna get frying. We're gonna start frying the spring rolls. Here, I got some almonds. We gotta toast it up. Okay. Toasting up some almonds. Let's drop it in our spring rolls. And these spring rolls, I bought them at just like a local grocery supermarket, okay? When there's a will, there's always a way, man. There you go, see? Get them all in there. Okay, it's time to give them a flip. Almonds here, guys. Okay, guys, check the beef, okay? It's cooking on one side. Now we're gonna flip it. We're gonna flip it and cook it on the other side for another, let's say about another 7 minutes, okay? And it should be good to go. Okay, guys, now the spring rolls is all cooked. Our beef ribs are nice and grilled. We're gonna put the plate together, okay? Cool. Some spring rolls in there. Okay. We have some spring rolls up in there. Short ribs, guys. Some beef short ribs. Okay. Look. Look at that, man. Gosh, Jesus. Okay. Lay it up like that. I got some Nam Nuong. Okay, guys, Nam Nuong right there, just like that, okay? Some yoy. Oh, there you go. Mint leaves. Mint. They're going to place up there. Some bean sprouts right in the middle. Leaves around the edge. You rip them, you want to rip them because you're going to be mixing it all together anyways, right? So we just rip it like that, okay? Yeah, just layer it like that. You know, you ask your, your guests, oh, hey guys, you want more or do you want less? Then they'll say, it's good. Right. Crush almonds on top, guys. Crush almonds on top, man. What do we do with that? I don't have any peanuts, so I just toasted some almonds instead, man. And you still get the same texture, full of the same kind of taste. There's more. Take your green onion oil, put it on your meat. Put it on your meat, man. Some of that meat. Put some on that. There you go, just like that. Fish sauce in. Look. Homemade fish sauce, guys. Just like that, guys. You have Gio Thit Nuong, Nam Nuong, and an extra bonus, yoy. Okay. Guys, this is my Gio Thit Nuong. Okay, and Nam Nuong with extra yoy. Delicious! It's juicy!